Can you hear the buzzing noise? Beeping? What do we got? We got ABS light, fuel light, that's probably not related. Seatbelt, I'm not wearing my seatbelt. We got a handbrake light or a brake warning light. And over here we got a VSC and traction off light. I'm in my Crown. So this is my cheap crappy Crown that I purchased. I've got a headlight for it in the back. See over there, there's a headlight. And I've got some bumpers for it. I'm at the bottom of my first tank of fuel, and I was driving it home and we got all these warning lights coming on. And then I started the next day and I thought I'd take it to work and check the codes and have a look at some live data. And it went out on the drive to work, and then I got distracted with other stuff that I needed to do. And then the next day I started it and it was on, the lights were on, and I drove down and I stopped and parked for a little bit and they went out again. So the fault is a little bit intermittent, but it's becoming more consistent, which is kind of nice. Makes it easier to diagnose when it's on most of the time. And the brake pedal is crappy, poor, not very operational. So a couple of common things we see is the ABS pump on these ones fails, is one of the real common ones, and some wheel speed sensors. I'm not sure it's going to be wheel speed sensors. Vacuum switch for the engine, like for the braking system, the brake booster. Some cars. I'm not sure whether this one has one, but we'll soon find out. And of course, there's no engine check light on this model, unlike the LS430s, which in this situation it would bring on the triangle of death, and this one doesn't. So we're going to get into the workshop and we are going to plug the scan tool in and do a vehicle scan and find out what codes we've got and work out a repair. Were you trying to plug yours into the
car, not the motor?
Because you've got two in your one.
Yeah, I was just having to reach under. There's an OBD connected in. I was like, what's going on here? Why is there no motor?
Yeah. Oh. S, whatever this is, 170 something.
Maybe you need to go manually.
I did go in manually. It failed, then failed when it goes to go find it. Now this tool normally does post 2000 vehicles really well. It does the 6-speed LS 430 that my one doesn't do nicely. This one does it far better. My one still does it, but it doesn't do it as well.
Maybe you should change you can go and change the area location.
Well, I would have thought this being Japanese would be Asian would be probably about right.
No, you can.
Oh, Jason's telling me there's some more stuff. No. I'll look, see what the air conditioning fault is. It's got no ABS, VSV. We're going to read the codes for the air conditioning. Solar sensor circuit. And it doesn't have that function for passcodes. It's only got current codes, and it's got a solar sensor circuit for that side. I was reading about that on an LS the other day.
Nice.
And it doesn't have a deletion thing on this one. Wait a minute. If I go back, it's got erase codes right here. Yeah, the engine stopped. We're just not going to listen to that. We don't. What's the noise? The noise is the beeping. So I'm dealing with a beep for the ABS the whole time, but I haven't turned it off because sometimes it goes away when it faults. So I'm leaving the thing running at all times. Though theoretically it shouldn't matter, it should store it, but this issue is just being a bit strange. got all this others. Oh wait, oh, it's just got air conditioning. I've just flipped around. It doesn't have it. It hasn't folded for the traction control VSC. It didn't even bring traction and VSC up as an option on this car, though I would have thought it would have had traction and VSC on a JZS Crown.
This is not a JZS Crown.
But I still would have thought it would have had it.
Just the...
Jason's taken over. Sometimes we got to work together on these things. And this beeping's driving me crazy.
It's driving me fucking nuts too.
Well, you were pretty marginal to begin with.
Well, the beeping's in the back of the gauge cluster. You can unclip it. It literally unclips out of the circuit board.
Down to here?
Oh, yes. Go into there. What do we got? Others? Yeah, I'm changing. Jason, it doesn't seem to be working.
Oh, hang on. Push the edit.
Edit? Oh, yes. Try others, eh? We'll go to others.
Well, there wasn't others.
Oh, try Japan then.
Try Japan.
Okay, cool.
Finish.
Jason's changing the area of the scan tool. Otherwise, I'm going to get my one. Hey, it did something over here because we've actually got a screen going now. So this screen just went on to diagnosis.
There you go. Here's your Crown Majesta.
Woohoo! Oh, look at that. You taught me something. Well done. Jason got it. It's got a 1uz. 2001 onwards. Others. It hasn't got laser cruise.
Beeping's kind of annoying.
UZS 2001 on, 1uz-fe. You think you try driving it with a beeping and no brakes? I do like this little tool, Jace. It's a good tool. You've got a good tool. We'll go auto scan. So this one's got an auto scan. We just put it in and it starts scanning everything. We notice it's scanning an engine and a or the TCU. Oh no, it didn't scan it brought up a ECT, but then put it back into engine ECU.
Do you want to call me later?
Yeah, I'll call you later.
Alright.
So what? ABS, there's our fault. Woohoo! Well done. You know, I've been meaning to scan this for like 3 or 4 days.
The schedule's been here.
Yeah, I've been distracted with everything else I have to do.
Not picking up more rubbish.
Yep. I didn't take this to Auckland to pick up more parts, thank you. And that car's presently stuck in my shed because you know how it slopes down into my shed? When I backed the trailer and in the darkness, as I got home, I left in the darkness and I got back in the darkness, and it was raining, so I backed it in the shed with my 4-wheel drive car, and I'm pretty much, as soon as I got the back wheels down, filled them up with mud, it was game over.
4-wheel drive cars are so 4-wheel drive anymore.
Nah. I'm hoping it's not an ABS pump. It might end this car's life. Like the brakes turn to total crap when it plays up. It has none. Nint brakes. Well, in saying none, like coming down that hill, I was not able to bring the car to a stop coming down the house, from the house.
It's probably not a good thing.
No. It's like backing up and you back out of my driveway and you have to turn, and I was trying to turn the car around, and there's a post that I was backing up towards, and then I realised I had no brakes.
Oh.
Yes. ABS. Read the codes.
You don't need to go fast codes, eh?
What's that?
You can go fast codes, eh?
Oh, I know. Rear speed sensor, ABS system, open pump circuit, brake booster pump motor on the time abnormally long, accumulator low pressure. Turn it off. We get even more lights when we turn it off. I've got it there. Didn't go away. ABS control unit. Pump motor function, accumulator pretty low. It's an ABS pump. It's the mighty Crown. We go off the road because we've got a stuffed ABS pump. Common as. My $500 car just got expensive.
No, it got expensive now. You bought bumpers and shit for it.
Right. Got to bugger all. Alright, let's find out what we can do with it, eh? Where is the ABS pump?
It's like right to the second.
Where's the diff, Jace? I need a diff.
You need a diff? Yeah?
Yeah, for this car.
Oh, that's the fun work.
Oh, it's all attached to everything.
The thing.
It's the whole lot. It's attachy to everything. Neato.
You find a car with more muscle in it?
ABS control malfunction and accumulator low pressure. It felt accumulator type. That's why it doesn't actually work. So the pump isn't working yet. Isn't coming on to build up the pressure for the accumulator. It's working now. No brakes now. I've got brakes now.
I fixed it.
You hit it with a hammer.
Yeah.
Can you set up that hammer so we can hit when it's driving and it comes back on? Can I clear everything now? I think that ABS pump's getting you tired.
Really rebuild.
There's probably going to be someone who can rebuild it, eh? Because there's lots of guys that are throwing these things away because the ABS pump fails, and same as the 186s. They throw them away because the ABS pumps fail. So I've gone. And I've got brakes. System passed. And actually no lights and a system pass. Okay? So I got rid of the, well, with me with the scan to and you with your hammer.
Oh, screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
And just did this. Once.
Do it again.
And that was it.
Good.
Full curb warranty.
You just hit it with a hammer again. Screwdriver.
Yeah.
And it's gone again. Is it the fact that the motor's getting tired? The actual motor itself?
Oh, no, I'm just tapping the cylinder. Just tap the top of the cylinder. Took.
Okay. So it could be just bad connection in there somewhere. Dry joint.
Yeah. I'm just tapping that cylinder. I don't know what I'm tapping. It's just a little cylinder.
Well, every time you do that,
Fixes it.
and I give it a bit of a rev, it fixes it.
Tapping the thing with the yellow sticker, the yellow warning sticker on it.
That's do not strike.
The only word I can read is off and 40.
So, Jace's taps part of the ABS pump. It goes away. We're in the right place. The ABS pump accumulator unit, which also does it's like a brake booster. It's an electric brake booster on these. They are common for failing. That's where our problem is. Now to fix the problem and make it good again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send Jace for a bit of a drive, and he's going to check whether these wheel speed sensors are all accurate. and are all giving us good live data. It's got brakes at the moment. Can you put your foot on the brake? It's not working at the moment. There was no buzzing, Jace. There was no buzzing at all. It's working now. Good diagnosis. Just check those 4 wheel speed sensors to check that it was the right rear that wasn't working. But it could have been because I was doing something else. The left rear wheel might have been spinning and the right rear wheel might not have been.
I was doing donuts and both wheels are spinning.
yeah, but that doesn't cause a problem because both wheels are spinning.
It worked fine.
All 4?
Yep.
It would have been something else. Okay.
So then when you accelerate and then the front wheel's doing 35k and the rear wheels are doing 70.
Okay then, good. Oh, there's tyres for it, eh? Oh no, Bronny's got them. Bronny's got some new tyres for me. They got dropped off in town.
Oh.
Cool one. Let's park it up for the moment. We've found the problem. Why was this melted into the cover? The fuel pump bridge.
Because I told you it got hot. I had to pull it out with a pair of pliers, it was that hot. So I mean, my fingers are dead sore.
Okay, I'm not going to test further. I'm just going to go and have a look at what's going on in that fuel tank.
I gave it a whack with I tried hitting it with a handful of the pry bar.
Cool. All right.